All right. So, welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I'm welcoming you to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for those who are subscribing, and I'm welcoming you. Those ones are the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm going to make sure that in this video you're going to learn something because I haven't shown it to you yet. So I want you to give me some more of your time so that you can listen and see, because it is good to listen before doing something. That is when you will understand what I'm trying to mean. So today we're going to see on how to do the extended dreads. Yes, the extended dreads, but I'm going to show you how to mix colors. So for those ones who didn't follow me when we are starting doing this, yes, I've been saying this several times in my previous videos that whenever you're doing extended dreadlocks or all dreads, please maybe if it's natural dread, but if it's a temporary dreads like this one, as you're locking, try to make a point to leave a half quarter inch when you're locking, because that one is going to help you, like when you're adding the extension, the hair won't be painful like the way people be fearing how plating braids, thinking that is very painful. So this time around I do it this way that you cannot feel the pain at all. So let's get on this one, and please, thank you so much for loving me ever since we started. And if you're still new, please make it a point, just click on that red button and you ring the bell. Yes, you'll be the first person to watch all my videos that I be uploading every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes, so indeed we are doing a massive work. And there's something I told you about this channel is that we do all hair type. We do all hair type. So you can see how I'm doing this, and I've been telling you that we have two lockings. There is the cross locking and this V locking. So some others can call it U, but it's or we've been doing it like a V rocking. So if you're locking this way, it depends on the hair. Sometimes there's when the hair is very soft, we do the cross locking, but whenever you see me locking once, just once, that means the hair has a lot of growth, and for it itself, it is like it has got that volume. So it is always very nicely to get those methods, because they also help you a lot. And when it comes in front, sometimes in front disturb a lot of people, but as long as you have the molding gel, you first rub there the molding gel so that you can try to roll it out, then you just lock it that way. So you can see there is always that space that I leave for my extension whenever I'm going to when I'm adding the extension, there are always that space that I already leave so that my client does not feel that pain. So you can see how I'm trying to lock it. And another thing I told you was the box shaping. Guys, you have to make sure that you make your boxes very lined well, and you shape them in a good way, in a neat way, so that it gives you the good result at the end. You understand what I'm saying? So this one I'm trying to remove it because I'm saying it's a little bit, it was going to be loose, and if I do it twice it will be very tight. If I do it twice it will be very tight, so that's why I've tried to remove it. So let's get it on and see how we can lock. Those ones who new, how to do this. I'm just going to show you only one, so that because it's the main point, you understand. So I get the brown and I mix it with either color 30, that is gold, and I mix it with off black. Then I start locking. Let me try to zoom it out so that you can see well. Whenever I'm locking, remember, for me, I always work with my team. You just look at me here very careful. I'm trying to use her hair only. You understand? It's the hair that I'm locking. You can see how I'm doing it. We just do it like up, then down, just like that. So for me, I lock it and I leave it there, just like that, just for my other people to get finished, so that we can finish quickly. So let me just lock this up to the end so that you can see the trick that I'm trying to show you. Because I want you to give me your attention, that those who have been asking me several questions on how I make this long, and what if the hair gets done when the braid is still short, what do you do? So just look at me very careful here. I'm using this, as you can see. I keep on locking it, and if we try to see her hair is going to get an end, like it's going to get finished. You understand? It's going to get finished. So that means when you can see how it is getting finished. So I want you to see me very careful to see how I add on the hair. Yes, so you see it's now getting done. I'm trying to finish it. So when I finish it all, see how I catch some other hair. Just pulled it from inside, just like that. Even if, no matter how small it is, you just pull it. I would explain here that the hair that is, like, see here, that hair that is always remaining outside, like the kink, it's what you always use to add on. You see, the one that is rough, you just grab it like that, you pick it. You see how I've collected some other hair? Yes, now the other one has remained there already. Now this is kink that I'm remaining with. So when you reach the extent where you want to add on the other color, yes, you see, you first lock, because that is very important, so that you don't bring the painful after locking your braid. You see, you lock once when it's already tight, then I bring back, try to finish here. Then look at me here very careful. I bring some other kinky of the different color. It's what I add on. Yes, look at me here. Add on like that. So when I'm done that, I remove like a little small one. Then it's what I start locking. So when you're locking this, make it a point. Make sure that is equivalent to the previous braid. You make sure that it is equivalent, because sometimes you might add on something that is very big and you find it doesn't look well. So here I'm trying to remove the dark one. I'm removing it so that I can remain with my gold. As you can see, I'm trying to remain with my gold, as you can see. So this is how I'm doing it. And when I'm done with that, you can see I first come and I measure so that it shouldn't be very, very long, since I'm trying to make my braid to look neat and very equal. So I can see the gold is still not there. Then you just keep on adding this way, since we want the gold to remain down. And now you can see that the black is now getting finished. We are remaining with the gold down. And this is how I just keep on doing it, just like that. It is very, very simple. If you try it out, and trust me, you will do something from it, because I trust you guys. You always do good work. So when you're done with that, you can see how I'm trying to play with it around. Yes, the way I'm playing around with it, very very perfect. And when I'm done with that, you can see how I'm finishing it, just like that. You see you see, just like that. Trust me, it is so so lovely. Just keep on doing this way. You will love it, you will love it. And whenever we reach at the end, you know what we always do, just try to cut it that way. You see how it is long, then I log going up, just log going back. As you can see, these are very these are something that is now like the things that you can now do, and I hope you'll be doing them. So for now, for me, I'm going to sign out, but I'm leaving you with this surprise to see how my braid looks like. And trust me, you're going to love it. I want to shout out to everyone who's watching me in United States of America, those ones in Germany, Ivory Coast, those ones in Canada. Thank you so much. I love you so much, and please keep loving Maurice the Crochet Master. And I go by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master on my personal Instagram, so you can go and follow me out, so that we can keep on chatting. This we can keep in touch. Yes, this is how my work is, and you can see how the mixed dread, how they look lovely and perfect. So now let me sign out. Bye bye, but don't forget to subscribe.